Well, today we're going to be making a helmet. It's the Viper Pilot's helmet from Battlestar Galactica. So now that the 3D printer is sort of working fairly well, we thought we'd have a go at building one. The print that this one was came in something like 25 parts, so which meant we could print a bit at a day, and then it's going to be like a big old airfix kit. Sort of gluing it together, so that's obviously the front. So yeah, so it's going to be fun doing this. I think it's going to be a lot of work to hide all the joins. It might not work out, but we shall see. So the first job is going to be starting to glue these parts together. Okay, so that's layer one glued together. I'm going to have to reinforce it somehow, probably with some fiberglass or something like that, some glue on the inside. But now on to layer two. Okay, layer two is on. Layer three to come. Layer three. Well, it's gone together. It's going to need a lot of filler, a lot of gaps on the parts, a lot of sort of slightly mismatched stuff. I think it's because it's printed in sections, different PLAs, different heats cause it to change slightly, but I think it's a good basis. What my plans are going to be to like fiberglass the inside, so I got something solid to go, and then just Dremel it flat, loads of filler. And I think it should be a good basis. And then the headpiece of it, this part goes on there. So yeah, a lot of work to do, but it's not looking too bad. Okay, so covered it in primer filler, still sanding it down. I've also, just to give it a bit of strength, put some fiberglass. It's just one of those cheap car repair kits, and that's made it much more solid. It's looking quite good. It's going to take a fair bit more sanding. I was going to cover these with plastic card, but I think I might just keep them as is because they are getting smoother. But yeah, it's coming along. Okay, so just been given it an undercoat with the old airbrush. I used Tamiya, dark yellow, because that's what I had. I think it's not a bad colour. I put some foam in the inside to make it a bit more easier to wear, and obviously these are black. There's lots of detail on it, but yeah, coming along. I've also done the eagle. I've got the side bits and the eagle for the top, which I think is gold. I'm not sure, I need to check on that, but yeah, coming along nice. Okay, so I finished the helmet. Came out quite well, considering it was made from 3 billion separate pieces. It's more of a cosplay helmet, sort of almost a stunt one, than a finished sort of model, because it's still a little bit rough in places, but I'm really pleased with how it came out. It'd be interesting to sort of print it on try and like put the bits together slightly larger. I don't know how that would work, but yeah, I'm happy. I've always wanted one. I got nothing to do with it. I have a Galactica jacket that I made, God, 30 years ago, which is not very accurate, but is quite comfortable to wear, so possibly go with that. But yeah, so glued the eagle on, painted the Pharaoh stripes, and then I've also popped the lights in, so it's got lights inside and above. They should really be on the outside, but because on the original ones this is like a tube that the LEDs sit in, and then it diffuses it, and this is solid, the lights won't stick to it because obviously it's a flat strip and this has got compound curves on it. So I think it works quite well. I'll put some photos up here of me wearing it, so you can see the lights look pretty good. When it's dark, it's very light in this room. But yeah, overall, I'm really pleased with how it came out. Inside, so I've got the LEDs. I just velcroed the battery box up and just put some foam in it, just so it's wearable. It's quite a heavy helmet to wear, but yeah, looks the business, I think. But thanks for watching. If you want to see more sort of 3D prints and helmet stuff, let me know. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks, Ed. Bye.